Welcome to SMBU's free daily video. This is the 8th part of our presentation recap from the StockTwits event in San Diego called Stocktoberfest. The lesson for today is the quote that ends my second book, The Playbook. And the quote is, "You can be better tomorrow than you are today." For those of you who think that your equity curve as a discretionary trader ought to look like this, for those of you who think that our firm's equity curve since inception has looked like this, it doesn't. It hasn't. There are going to, I can tell you, and I wrote about this in One Good Trade, I've changed my trading style 5 times. 5 times since I first started trading. In fact, the way that we train people today is completely different than the way that we used to train people when we first started SMB. When we first started SMB, we trained in a very specific way. And today, I can tell you that we spend a lot of time saying, yeah, don't trade like that. That doesn't mean that we were wrong at the time or our training was bad. It means the markets have changed. HFTs have taken away a lot of what we used to do in the past, and we shifted to talking more about swing trades and combining other factors into decision making. And so, you know, if you are sitting there and you're not doing as well as you would like, you can get better. Firms have to get better. Traders have to get better. When I first started trading, my account was down over $30,000. I think it was $38,000, and ran into a little bit of good luck, got a little bit better, and went on to have a pretty good career. This is, and even for really consistently profitable traders, there are, if you sit on the floor with a lot of really good traders, I'm thinking of one 7-figure trader who I've worked with in the past for many, many years. For 6 months out of the year, and he's a 7-figure trader, if you pass him in the bathroom, like, you don't want to talk to him. He's so pissed off half the time because it's not his market and he's getting crushed. And then he figures out a way to have a pretty good year. But, money isn't the big reward for this game. The big reward is you learn that you can get better. An anecdote, a personal anecdote is, a year ago, I was in San Diego and the CEO of Retrofit was presenting. That is a health maintenance company. It's this online training company that helps you to get healthier and perhaps lose some weight. And he was up there and he was talking about the reasons why people were unsuccessful with losing weight. And I took that program a year ago and went through it, and it's been very helpful to me. But people ask me, was it hard? I mean, it really wasn't that hard for me because I have a history of understanding that habits take time to develop, but that I can develop better habits. I've had to do that with my trading. Build a habit, build another habit, build another habit on top of that, build another habit on top of that, build another habit, and you become a completely different person, a completely different trader. But I have that history of understanding that I can build better habits. And that's a big reward. Things like that, and it's not a big thing, but little things like that become easier for you as a person. So, market lesson of the day, and the #1 market lesson that you will learn: you can be better tomorrow than you are today. I hope that helps. SMBU has some great news for you. If you enjoyed that last video, if it helped your investing or your trading game, you can go to our site, our home site, smbu.com, click on the banner, and sign up for a free daily trading video. These videos encapsulate equities trading, options trading, automated trading, so that you can get a little bit better each day at your trading and investing game. I hope these videos help. I hope you take the opportunity to sign up and enjoy them each day. Thank you.